Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage your paycheck, follow these step-by-step instructions to make the most of your income and build financial security. Step 1. Review your pay stub carefully each pay period to understand gross pay, deductions, taxes, and net take-home amount. Verify that all information is correct, including tax withholdings and benefit deductions. Step 2. Set up direct deposit to have your paycheck automatically transferred to your bank account. This provides faster access to funds and eliminates the risk of lost or stolen physical checks. Step 3. Automate your savings by having a portion of each paycheck directed to a separate savings account before you can spend it. Paying yourself first ensures consistent progress toward financial goals. Step 4. Create a paycheck allocation plan that divides your net income among essential expenses, savings goals, debt payments, and discretionary spending. This ensures all financial priorities are addressed. Step 5. Maximize retirement contributions through your employer's plan if available. Pre-tax contributions reduce your taxable income while building long-term wealth. Step 6. Adjust tax withholdings if you consistently receive large refunds or owe significant amounts at tax time. Your goal should be to break even rather than giving the government an interest-free loan. Step 7. Review and increase savings and investment contributions whenever you receive raises. Lifestyle inflation prevents wealth building, so bank increases rather than spending them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.